Hi all, in this video we are going to cover how to manage RITM in ServiceNow. This is the topics we will discuss today. At first that overview, how to create a request, how to look for the request assigned to their groups, how to check for the RITM and catalog task details, how to check for the variable in RITM, check SLAs, pause SLAs, how to complete a request. Service portal is the platform where user will be able to raise a service request. User needs to click request something to raise a new request for general service. Here you can see this is the option request something to raise a request. Now same thing we will see in our service portal instance. You can click on request something and raise a service request. In the catalog item, user will be able to raise a new request for a specific catalog item. User will be able to filter based on category from the left navigation pane or the search button above. Here you can see this path is showing the current item path. Search from here you can search our catalog item. This is the categories. All the categories are listed here. This is our catalog item. We have two view. One is curved view, another one is the grid view. We can see the same thing in our service portal. Here this is our current path. This is our search option from where we can search our catalog item. This is the categories where all categories are listed. This is our catalog item. We already discussed we have two views. One is curved view and another one is the grid view. This is our curved view. If we click on grid view, we can see like this. How to create a request. After clicking the correct catalog item, the corresponding catalog item form will get displayed. This form needs to be filled up with adequate information. The form have set of mandatory fields marked with asterisks. Same thing we will discuss in our service portal. Here you can see we have one catalog item called production control. Once we will click on production control, we will get this page. Here we have three fields. One is on behalf of fields, another one is what is the scheduling tools, and then comments. Here now we can select Avil and then we will select TWS as a scheduling tool, and now we will mention some comments. Then we will click on order now. Here we have the request number. So now we will copy this request number. What is the relation between request, RITM and catalog task? Each request can have request item. Each RITM can have multiple tasks assigned to different groups for fulfillment. A RITM is marked as complete only when all its tasks and subtasks gets completed. Here you can see in this picture requests have RITM, RITM have task. In general, request ticket starts with REQ, request item ticket starts with RITM, task ticket starts with SC task. Now we will discuss how to check for the RITM. At first we have to log in into the ServiceNow instance. From the left navigation panel, click on Service Catalog and then Items. All open RITM assigned to your groups will be displayed in the list view like this. Same thing we will discuss in our ServiceNow instance. So here we will write down Service Catalog. Under Service Catalog we have Catalog and then click on Items. Now we have a field called Request. So already we have copied the request that we have created. Okay, so now click enter, and now we will get the RITM. Here you can see this is the RITM number, the catalog item, production control. This is our request, assignment group, request for system administrator. Due date is mentioned here. Here we can check the variables. The RITM is in waiting for approval. Now let us discuss about waiting for approval stage. If a RITM required approvals, then the RITM would be in waiting for approval stage. In such case, no catalog task would be generated for the RITM. Once approver approves the RITM, then catalog task will generate. In the screenshot, you can see the stage is in waiting for approval. There is no catalog task. If I will click on approver, you can see there is one approver is there and the state is in requested. Same thing we can see in our ServiceNow instance. Here you can see this is our RITM and the stage is in waiting for approval. Here you can see there is no catalog task is generated. If I click on approver, there are two approver is there. The state is in requested. Now I will click on this requested. And here you can see the approver name. So now I will approve the records. Now the stage is in fulfillment. Here one catalog task is generated. Now we will see how to check for the catalog task details. At first we have to log in into ServiceNow instance. From the left navigation panel, click on Service Catalog, then Tasks. All open tasks assigned to our groups will be displayed in the list view. So here the Service Catalog, and then Tasks. Also we can see in the RITM form, if we will scroll down, you can see this type of screenshot. Here is the one SC task. The same thing we can discuss in our ServiceNow instance. Here you can see the catalog task in the RITM form, also in the service catalog, and then tasks. If I will click on tasks, you can see all the tasks is listed here. We will discuss how to check SLAs. To view the SLAs of the current RITM, navigate to the related list at the bottom of the RITM. The SLA will be displayed along with the start time and breach time for each SLA. Here we can see two SLAs are there. Now we can see in our ServiceNow instance. This is our RITM. We can see the one SLA is there. The stage is in progress. SLA pause condition. SLA can be paused by setting the RITM state to pending. We can set the SLA to pause condition by setting state to pending. Red dot signifies that SLA has breached. We can see the same thing in our ServiceNow instance. Here you can see this is our RITM and the state is in progress. Now we can select the state as pending. Click on Save button and then just scroll down and you can see the SLA is in pause status and the red dot means that SLA already has breached. Business time left is 0 seconds. How to complete a request item. To complete a RITM, the associated tasks need to be completed first. If all the tasks of RITM gets completed, the RITM will automatically get to closed complete status. Attached SLA will get completed. Here you can see the screenshot. The state is in closed complete. Same thing we can do in our ServiceNow instance. Here we just clicked on SC task. Now I just clicked on close task. Here you can see the stage is in completed, state is in closed complete.